For top-notch window installation and impact door services in Palmetto Bay, look no further, especially if you're considering Impact Doors. Palmetto Bay homeowners trust. Our energy-efficient windows and hurricane windows are designed to withstand the toughest weather conditions. We offer custom window solutions and window installation services to meet all your needs. Whether you need sliding glass doors or double-pane windows, our team is ready to assist. Our window sealing and storm protection doors provide the ultimate security and efficiency for your home. Enhance your home with our vinyl windows and window frame replacement services in Palmetto Bay, perfectly complementing Impact Doors. Palmetto Bay installations. Our entry door installation and glass replacement services ensure your home is both beautiful and secure. Regular window maintenance and French doors installation are essential for maintaining the value and safety of your property. Our window tinting and door hardware options offer additional protection and style. Insulated glass and window caulking services are available to improve your home's energy efficiency. For patio doors and window glazing services in Palmetto Bay, our experts provide top-quality solutions that pair seamlessly with Impact Doors. Palmetto Bay upgrades. We specialize in door replacement and window upgrades to enhance your home's appearance and functionality. Our security doors and residential window replacement services in Palmetto Bay are designed to keep your home safe and stylish. Impact Doors. Palmetto Bay services include custom impact doors and sliding glass door replacement to suit your specific needs. Our Hurricane Impact Windows. Palmetto Bay services offer unparalleled protection against severe weather and work hand-in-hand with Impact Doors. Palmetto Bay solutions. Energy-efficient window installation. Palmetto Bay ensures your home remains comfortable year-round. Custom window solutions. Palmetto Bay are tailored to your unique preferences and requirements. Our window sealing services. Palmetto Bay and storm protection doors. Palmetto Bay provide peace of mind during hurricane season. Trust our team for all your window and door needs in Palmetto Bay. Window installation in Palmetto Bay is essential for homeowners seeking energy-efficient solutions alongside Impact Doors. Palmetto Bay installations. Our energy-efficient window installation. Palmetto Bay services ensure that your home remains comfortable while reducing energy costs. With a focus on double-pane window installation. Palmetto Bay, we provide superior insulation and noise reduction. Impact Door services in Palmetto Bay offer unparalleled protection against extreme weather conditions, especially with professionally installed Impact Doors. Palmetto Bay residents rely on. Our Impact Doors. Palmetto Bay services are designed to withstand hurricanes and provide security. Custom Impact Doors. Palmetto Bay are tailored to meet your specific needs, ensuring both safety and style. Energy-efficient windows are a must-have for any modern home and pair perfectly with Impact Doors. Palmetto Bay solutions. Our energy-efficient window installation. Palmetto Bay services help reduce your carbon footprint while enhancing your home's aesthetic appeal. With options like vinyl windows. Palmetto Bay, you can enjoy durability and low maintenance. Hurricane windows. Palmetto Bay are crucial for storm protection, especially when combined with Impact Doors. Palmetto Bay systems. Our Hurricane Impact Windows. Palmetto Bay services offer peace of mind during hurricane season. With storm protection doors. Palmetto Bay, you can safeguard your home against the elements. Custom window solutions. Palmetto Bay provide personalized options for your home that coordinate beautifully with Impact Doors. Palmetto Bay designs. Whether you need window frame replacement or window upgrades. Palmetto Bay, our team is ready to assist. We specialize in residential window replacement. Palmetto Bay, ensuring your home is both functional and beautiful. Window installation and maintenance are vital for extending the life of your windows and Impact Doors. Palmetto Bay investments. Our window installation. Palmetto Bay services address issues like window sealing and window caulking. Palmetto Bay. Regular window maintenance. Palmetto Bay can prevent costly replacements. Sliding glass doors are a popular choice for modern homes and serve as stylish Impact Doors. Palmetto Bay options when properly upgraded. Our sliding glass door replacement Palmetto Bay services offer sleek designs and easy operation. Patio door services Palmetto Bay enhance your outdoor living space with style and functionality. Double-pane windows are an excellent choice for energy efficiency and pair well with impact doors Palmetto Bay installations. Our double-pane window installation Palmetto Bay services provide superior insulation and noise reduction. Insulated glass Palmetto Bay options further enhance your home's comfort. Window sealing services Palmetto Bay ensure that your windows are airtight and energy efficient, supporting the performance of impact doors Palmetto Bay systems. Proper window caulking Palmetto Bay prevents drafts and reduces energy costs. Our window glazing Palmetto Bay services add an extra layer of protection and style. Storm protection doors Palmetto Bay are essential for safeguarding your home, especially when upgrading to impact doors Palmetto Bay solutions. Our security door installation Palmetto Bay services provide peace of mind with durable and stylish options. Residential door replacement Palmetto Bay ensures your home is secure and attractive. Vinyl windows Palmetto Bay offer a low-maintenance and durable option for homeowners and work seamlessly with impact doors Palmetto Bay upgrades. Our vinyl window services Palmetto Bay include installation and replacement, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Window upgrades Palmetto Bay enhance your home's efficiency and appearance.